Hello, explorers of language. Today, we're going setting off on a journey to discover the magic of preposition. So, what are preposition? Preposition are like the guides in our sentences. They show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. Preposition shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words. Think of them as a words that tells us where something is, when something happened, or how things are connected. This is the uses of preposition. Preposition can show us where something is, example, on, in, under, beside, above, below, near. So, time, when something happens, example, at, on, in, before, after, during. For example, which way something is moving. Example, to, from, through, across, into, out, of. Let's look at some examples. So, the cat is on the table. The word on shows the cat's location. Another example. The bird is flying in the sky. The word in shows the bird's location. Prepositions are essential for making our sentences clear and descriptive. They help us understand the relationship between things. So, thanks for joining our preposition adventure. Keep exploring and have fun with words.